grew up in the hood.
Yeah.
And it just be natural.
Yeah.
I apologize
That's
if
fine.
it offends you. But I will say it. And it's not in any kind of way.
You made it.
You know what's up. Because I don't know how to get back.
Okay, you almost got it. Almost there. Don't stop. Don't stop. Get a drink. Get the damn thing across the line. There you go. Oh, you can't get me in the photo. He must have seen that wheelie competition at the Mega Track back today.
Up there.
I wanted that one.
The first one.
Badass, my son wants to get into that.
Red, I got a YouTube channel.
You supposed to take the left-hand turn, Daniel. There you go. Throw that damn truck down hard. Oh my God.
Is it going good?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your last competitor. This is Indy. Indy's coming down the hill.
Here he come. Here we go.
Remember your fast time.
Hey, there you go.
Dalton Braun is at 8.718.
It's my buddy right here in that black truck.
Oh, okay.
So I'll pick my paperwork up here in front of him.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, I see. Okay, that truck, it been over there, so that means I'm right